Franklin Avenue, Hartford, Connecticut.
Goes to 81.
Right.
Okay, when you come back, is there anything you can come just into the office for me for 1 second? I gotta look at those pictures for that vehicle that you released and grab that cash from you, please.
Definitely.
Probably have like an inch
Thank you.
so far. So probably another 25 more. Wow. Franklin Avenue, Hartford. It's coming up is Adelaide. Barker Street. Art Cinema. Adults Cinema. See people outside. Cialis. Bond Street. Famous. Barranquitas Bakery. Best oatmeal. Best one. Recommend it. All right, we on Elliott Street. Warner. Benton Street. Don't do this at home. We got the Alpine. Pawtucket Street. And I gotta take a right on Animal Street. Slippery, well, just not even 2 inches, I think. Dean Street. Where you at?
Taking a fast break. We're in a break.
Right, let me know ahead of time. I'm gonna be home already. Arden Street. Arden Street again. No cars. Yeah, the police tow most of the cars out so they can plow. The city can do their job. Weathersfield Street. Key Foods. They're closed. And that shouldn't be there. Okay. All right. On 1 Street to the right. Warmy to the left. Very famous tree here in summer. Church Street. Again, Benton Street to the right. Buckley High School, brand new school. Beautiful. State of the art. Elliott Street. Everything is quiet. We got Las Palmas restaurant there to the right. Good stuff, yeah. CNF, Bird School, and Bond Street. Ooh. And that's it, my friends. Franklin Avenue. I'll take another video while the snow falls progress. Good night. Be safe.